In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Jotform password. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Click Login in the top right corner to open the sign-in page. Enter your email address or username, then click the Forgot Password link below the password field. On the password recovery page, click Send Reset Instructions. Jotform will send a password reset email to the address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Jotform. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the Reset Password link. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then click Create a New Password. Once the password has been updated, return to the login page and sign in with your new password. That's how to reset your Jotform password. Thanks for watching.